In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment gateways in Gohighlevel. To begin, log into your Gohighlevel account and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account or location where you want to enable payments. This is important because payment integrations are usually connected at the account level you're currently working in. So it's a good idea to double check that before moving forward. Once you're on the main Gohighlevel screen, look over to the left-hand side of the platform. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for different tools and settings. From that menu, click on Payments. This will take you into the Payments area where you can manage things like invoices, transactions, and payment integrations. After the Payments section opens, go to the top right corner of the page and click on Integrations. This is where Gohighlevel allows you to connect third-party payment providers so you can begin accepting payments through your funnels, websites, forms, and other sales assets. On the integrations page, you'll be asked to select a provider. Gohighlevel may offer multiple options depending on your region or account setup. For this example, we're going to use Stripe, which is one of the most commonly used payment gateways because it's simple to connect and widely supported. Click on Stripe to choose it as your payment provider. After selecting it, click on Connect. This starts the authorization process between Gohighlevel and Stripe, so the two platforms can work together securely. Next, click on Connect with Stripe. At this point, you'll be redirected to Stripe's connection page. This is a normal part of the setup, and it's where Stripe confirms that you want to link your account to Gohighlevel. On the Stripe page, click Get Started. Then enter your Stripe email address in the field provided. Be sure to use the email associated with the Stripe account you want connected. Using the correct account matters, especially if you manage more than one business or Stripe profile. Once your email address is entered, click Continue. From there, Stripe will guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Just follow the instructions carefully and review the details before approving access. After the connection is complete, you should be returned to Gohighlevel, where Stripe will appear as your connected payment gateway. At that point, your account is ready for the next stage of accepting payments inside your business workflows. That's how to set up a payment gateway in Gohighlevel using Stripe. Take your time during setup and always verify you're connecting the correct payment account before moving on.